everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So this is our Tidy Tuesday and we're going to be working in our laundry room. Not the laundry room specific, although we are going to do a little bit of tidying in there, but specifically where Gracie's things are. So if you're new to our channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is Shakema. I'm a single mom. I have 4 children, 2 girls, 2 boys, 1 fur child named Gracie, and we have just recently inherited a fur granddog named Acro. So we are a big family hanging out here, and we are taking our Tuesdays and spending 30 minutes or less in one of our hotspot areas. So today's Tidy Tuesday is going to be in our laundry room, taking care of the dog space. Dump it, bring it back in, please.
No, that piece right there.
Sorry. Okay. Alright. So what we want to do, listen, we need to get this bag down. See this stuff right here that shouldn't be there? None of this stuff should be out. This needs to go in the garage. Because I don't even know what this is right this second, and I don't have time to look at it. And then we should have, it says opening, start saving days. Y'all, there should be some clips to hang all of these broom things.
Well, I feel like they were, but I don't know where they are.
You don't know where they are?
That's probably the case.
And then let's go ahead and Swiffer this floor. Please. Okay, you guys, so Tidy Tuesday is done, and what we did was we actually pulled the other rug that was in here out. We just Swiffered the floor. We emptied out the shoe tray because it just had leaves and stuff in it. We swept the floor. Then we put a new rug down. Jackson Swiffered the floor. We may have to come back in here and re-Swiffer. So I see some non-Swift. So I'll get Alana to come back in and re-Swiffer the floor. But anyway, then we just went up here and took down anything that didn't belong. It's just a way of putting things back. And then we went ahead and cleaned out the dog drawers. So because we're having to add Acro into our family, we now have dog leashes and pooper scoop bags. We now have dog treats, training treats, peanut butter, the training pouch that Alana uses, doggy toothpaste, and then down here we have doggy sweaters or towels when it's raining outside, and then we just put the trash can back there. So there it is. This is Tidy Tuesday. we just picked one little section, which actually was the dog bin, and we just made a little bit of improvements into the laundry room. So there it is, you guys. Tidy Tuesday is very simple. You just take one little hot spot in your home, 15, 20, 30 minutes, and you just give it a once over. We just simply did the dog drawer because we were adding Acro in and we wanted to put his stuff in there as well. And then the laundry room was looking a little bit ratty, so we just changed out the rug so we can wash the old one. And then there it is. It's very simple. It doesn't take a lot of time, but this series is proving to help us to just get a few things done around the house. So anywho, we want to thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we liked your video. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next Tidy Tuesday, bye now.